This video is to cover creating and posting a standard assembly session. To do so, we're going to go to Inventory, Inventory Assemblies, click New. You'll select the product that you're going to build, as well as the warehouse you want the final good to be posted into. Specify the quantity to build. And you see here that the unit quantity is what we have to build one of the final good, and the total quantity is the unit quantity times the build quantity to remove the total quantity of components needed to create the final build of 10 of this coffee French roast product. Also, you can toggle the warehouse you're pulling the components out of. So let's say instead of using F, we wanted to pull the components from D. You can do so by toggling the warehouse on each component line as needed. All right, we're going to go ahead and save and post. You'll be prompted to preview or print the report created by posting this assembly. And you can see here that we posted into the warehouse D. The final good has a quantity of 10 and a unit cost of $156.80. And that is a summation of the component unit cost and amounts. So you want the session and transaction total to be 0 for an assembly session.